Hello friends, so in this tutorial of Excel, we will learn about attendance sheet. So how to make an attendance sheet. To make an attendance sheet, first of all, what we need to do, we have created some data here. We have written attendance sheet at the top. I will give it some border also. Similarly, what we do, we have given here employee ID, employee name, designation, and here we have created a chart where we have to put some formulas later on. So and last we have written like basic salary, HRA, conveyance, working days, absent, half day, per day salary, total earning, PF, and then comes your ESI, and then your salary in hand. So how to create this Excel sheet? Let's start from the beginning here. So first of all, what we need to do, we go to the sheet 2, and in the sheet 2 I have already created these months. Like you can also create them like Jan Feb. You just write Jan Feb and just drag it out. After dragging it, you will get all the months. I just increase its size by 14 and make it bold. Then I will go to sheet 1, and here I will click it out, and after clicking here I go to data, and from data I will go to data validations and take a list here, and in this list I go to source, go to sheet 2 and select all these months. After selecting this month, we got a button here. I just click on this button. Whichever month I like to take the attendance, I can put that date here. Like if it's January, then January, is February, whichever month you like. Here I am putting January. So in the first date, we have to find out the first date. To find out the first date, we have to put a formula date value. After putting the formula date value, I will put inverted comma 1 inverted comma, and then after pressing shift I will press 7 number or this and sign, and then I will select this Jan month and just close it out. I will got a date here. Sometime you will not got a date. If you are in journal, you will get this number here. For that, what we need to do, we just go to short date or long date, whichever date you like, you will move to that date. I will just change the style of date, go to more number, and then I will go to date, and I will take this date, 14 March. So this is our date style, like 1st of January. Similarly, we can put our last date here. I will put equal to, and then I will put end of month, EO month formula here, and then start date. First what I need to do here, I have to put the start date here and then the month. The start date is this, comma, and then just put 0 and close it. So I will get the last date. I will just change the style also. I go here, more, then date, and till the 14 March, and okay. So I will got the last date also. So I have got the first date and the last date. So I have both the dates. Next thing what I will do, I will like to put here, so I have already created this chart here, equal to, and put the first date, enter. So this is our first date. Now we need to find out the second date. To find out the second date, I put equal to if bracket open. First of all, I will select the first date and less than sign this last date. So if our first date is less than last date, what we need to do, we need to add in first date 1, or else we keep it blank. We not give any number there. So we keep it blank, but if we need to add one date, we have to give D7 plus 1. Now what we need to do, we need to this last date to be locked by F4 key. So we lock the last date and press enter. Now we'll get the second date, and now I will drag it out through the last date. So it is still 31st. So our month is still 31st, so I will got the all dates. Next thing what I need to do, I need to go here, and here I need to find out the month, day of the month. To find out the day of the month, I put equal to here, then I will put text, bracket open, and then I will select, I will just put this formula down, and then just click here D7, then comma, and after putting comma, what I need to do, I need to press this inverted comma and 3 times DDD inverted commas and close the bracket. So I will get the Friday here. Now I will just drag it out throughout the last date. I think that much is enough. Okay, so I have already here a formula here. I just have to, because I have already made this, so what I need to do, I just remove the formula from here. I go till the end and I go to conditional formatting, more rules, and just use formula and just delete the formula from here. It's already not there, so I will, what I need to do, I just go to home, conditional formatting, clear rules from entire sheet. So it's done. Okay, so now we have a month here and a day here. Next thing what I need to do, I need to put a present, absent or half day for each and every employee. But before that, what we need to do, we need to put some color on Sunday, because on Sunday we are having a holiday in offices. So to put a color on Sunday, what I will do, I will select this sheet, complete sheet. I will start from the Friday, just press shift and just go till the end. After going till the end, I will go to conditional formatting and then I will go to more rules and then I just, okay, then I have to move this to first. I just go to the first side, then I will go to the first side, then I will go to conditional formatting and then I will go to more rules and from here use formula, and here I will click on this Friday first cell and then equal to inverted comma, and in this I will type Sunday inverted comma close, and from this D I have to remove this dollar sign because it will keep on checking on each and every these like D, E, F, G, H, like horizontal wise it will check in each and every cells. So but it will be in this 6 only, so we fix that but not Sunday. Then we go to format, then we go to fill, and from there I will take this red color and press OK, and then again OK. So we have a red color on Sunday, so we have a ready-made attendance sheet ready. Next thing we made to make present, absent, or next year present, absent and half day. So we have to make a list here. So we go to data, from data we will go to data validation, then we will go to list, and in the list I will type P for present. I will put the press caps lock on, P for present, A for absent, and H for half days. So we have put in 3 things here, present, absent, half day, and just put a. So now we can select it from the P, whatever we like to put. I just go to home and just increase its size also, make it bold, and then I will just drag it out till there. So we have all P here. I just copy it throughout the entire sheet. Here also Control C, then Control V, then I will go to the next week. In next week also Control V, here also Control V. So we have all. What I need to do to make it more real, I will put some absent and half days here. Half day, here I will also put half day, here I will put absent, then here I will put half day. I will put some half days and absence, absent, and here I will put some half days, so that it will look a little bit real type of mark sheet. Now we have to give some basic salaries to our employees. Suppose like we are giving 40,000 to this employee, then 30,000 to this one, then I will put 20,000 to this one, then 15,000 to this one, then 12,000 to this one, 11,000 to this one, 9,000 and 8,000, whatever salary we like to decide. So this is our salary which we have decided. Now we have to give human resource house rent allowance to our employees also. Like this is our basic salary, beside that we will give them an house rent. Suppose it's the 40% of the basic. It depends upon the company policy how much they like to give. Like there are certain rules and regulations are also there, but we are taking an example here. So if the HRA is a 40%, so we'll take an if statement here. If bracket open, we will put this basic salary, then we will put comma. If this is, I think, equal to, so what we can do without if, we can even do it without if also. Like we will put this equal to this multiply by 40% and the center. So we got the 40% of our basic. So this is our HRA. Next thing is we have to find out the conveyance. In conveyance we will say, like if our salary is more than 25,000, we will give conveyance 4,000. Otherwise we will give 2,000. So let's check it out. Equal to, if we will say our basic salary is more than 25,000, then we will give conveyance 4,000, and else we will give 2,000, and then we will close it out. So we have a conveyance here. We just drag throughout the sheet, our table we have created. So we found the working days. To find out the working days, we have to put in formula here, and the formula is a very simple formula. We have to put an equal to here, and then we will type count if formula. After putting count if, we will take this bracket on, then we will go to the beginning and just select this all entire till the end, shift, and then I will press right arrow key and go throughout till the end till Sunday. And then what I will need to do, I will put a comma here, and after putting a comma, I will put in inverted comma, I will put P. So it will count P inside this entire columns, and then I will put enter. So 24 days he work. Now I will just drag till the end. So we will find the working days of our employees. Next we have to find absent, because we have taken a 3 absent, half day, and present and your present working days. Similar formula we can use it. The simple way is I can even copy this, but at this time I will do equal to count if bracket open, and then what I will do, I will again do the same thing. I will start from the P, and then from the first date of January till last date, then I will put comma, inverted comma, and what I need to do here, I need to put a absent here. So A, bracket close and enter. So we will get 2 absent here, and others, for most of the people are in the office. Okay. Next is half days. Equal to, we have to put the same formula here. Count if bracket open, then we will start from the beginning again, from the P till the end, just move till the end till the January, then I will put comma. I will just show you where we are here. Okay, and then half day, inverted comma, H, inverted comma, close and enter. So 0 half day for person, but there are somebody who have taken 2 and one is taken 1. Now we have to find out salary in hand. So to find out salary in hand, what we need to do, we need to find out, first of all I need to add another column here, insert. What I will do, I will put salary per day. To find out salary per day, what I need to do, I will put equal to here, then I will add all this and divided by 3, sorry, and divided by 31. So this is the per day salary. It's not plus, so I have to add all of them. So to add all of them, what I will do, I will put sum here, bracket open, and I will add basic, HRA and conveyance and divide them with 31. So I will got the 1 day salary of each and every employee. So we have this salary here. Next thing, so this is our per day salary. Here what I need to do, I need to find out the total earning of the employees. So it's already there. To find out the total earning, we have to find out how many days they have worked. They have worked 24 days, they have 2 absents, and beside that they have half days also. So for that what we need to do, we need to put equal to here, this salary is multiplied by 24 working days. Okay, so because the month is 31st, but he have worked for 24, so we multiply it by 24. So this is the salary, but beside that what he have, his 2 days absent, so no salary will be, but for half day we also have to put some formula here. Okay, and beside that what we need to do, we need to add one more thing here. I will just put it inside a inverted, and then I will put plus, and then I will take this total salary and 1 day salary and just divide it with half day. If it's half day, so it will be given, okay, so divided by total salary. So we have taken a total salary divided by 2 and multiply by half day, because we have to give half of this salary, so we have to give half of this salary and multiply it with half day. Then we will put enter and just drag throughout. We are getting a lot of decimals here, so what we will do, we will select this and reduce the decimals here. Okay, so we are getting a very near to the total earnings. So this is our total earning. I just remove this. Great. Next we have to find out some deductions from a salary, which is PF. We are assuming it's for 12%, and 1.75 is ESI. ESI is for those employees whose salary is less than 21,000 in the present system, and it will be deducted from the salary for their health benefits. So what we need to do, we have to first of all deduct the PF from the salary. So we will put this and minus. Okay, what we need to do, we have to find out this 12%, multiply by 12% of it. So its 12% will be this one. So we have just multiplied 12%, so we will find 12% of our total earnings. We just drag it out, so we will get the earnings. Similarly we can get PF, but for PF there is condition. If salary is less than 21,000, only then PF will be deducted. If we will take this, if this is less than 21,000, I just drag it throughout here. Okay, what we need to do then, we need to give ESI to the employee, which is 1.75%. So we need to give this, multiply 1.75 will be deducted from the salary, or else it will be 0. So just check, it will be in, and then I will put a percentage sign also here, and then enter. So they will get 0, but those salary which is less, they will get ESI. So now we can find out what is the final salary they will get in hand. To get the final salary in hand, what we need to do, we need to add this and minus all these two, this plus this, and then just check it out. So this is the salary they are getting in hand. So this is the way we can make a complete attendance sheet for our employees, and with the change in the month we can change our employee sheet. So we have to save this sheet and make another sheet with the same format. So thank you very much for watching this video and understanding this attendance sheet. From this attendance sheet we can even create a salary slip, which we will make in another video. So that's all from this side. If you like it, so subscribe our channel on YouTube and in Facebook. What you can do, you can follow us.